All right, look at this guy. For x is greater than 3, which of the following is equivalent to 1 over blah, 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 blah. All right, so I have a fraction, and on the bottom denominator, I have a fraction plus a fraction. So what I'm probably going to want to do is combine the fractions on the bottom and find a way to reciprocate it and move it to the top and then see what happens. So that's what I'm going to do. Right now, I'm only going to focus on the denominator here. I'm not going to worry about the 1 on top. I'll deal with that at the end. So I have 1 over x plus 2 plus 1 over x plus 3. This is my denominator of the entire thing. What I want to do is I want to have least common denominators for these guys. Now, there's nothing in common. And don't be like, sure there is. There's x's in both. Great. But the least common denominator is going to be x plus 2 times x plus 3, and there's no way of getting around it. It's not as simple as maybe multiplying this guy by 3 and multiplying this guy by 2. No, 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 no. I'm going to multiply this fraction by x plus 3 over x plus 3. I'm going to multiply this fraction by x plus 2 over x plus 2. So when I do that, I have x plus 3 times 1. So x plus 3 times 1 is going to be x plus 3 over x plus 3 times x plus 2 plus this guy gets multiplied to 1, so x plus 2 over x plus 3 times x plus 2. The reason why I did this is now I have common denominators, and I can just keep the denominator the same and add the guys on top. So when I add the guys on top, I get x plus x, which is 2x, and I get 3 plus 2, which is 5. On the bottom, I have x plus 3 times x plus 2. So this is a FOIL problem, okay? X times x is x squared. X times 2 is 2x. 3 times x is 3x. Add them together to get 5x. 3 times 2 is 6. Now this is what I've circled here in black. Now keep in mind, that was not the original problem. The original problem was 1 over that. What this is saying is 1 divided by a fraction. Now, a very basic idea that if you have a number, we'll say 1 again, divided by a fraction, you keep the first guy, you change this to a multiply, and you flip. So dividing the fraction is the same as multiplying the reciprocal. So what I get to do here is I'm going to multiply 1 to this guy, but flipped. So if I flip it, I get x squared plus 5x plus 6 over 2x plus 5. 1 times that makes that 1 useless. And so I'm left with x squared plus 5x plus 6 and 2x plus 5. Now, if you're wondering why they gave you x has to be greater than 3, the original problem, okay, if you were to plug in certain numbers like -3, -2, you would get something that's undefined, which is not allowed. So you have to go with certain traits that say x is greater than 3 to avoid asymptotes. And that's it.